In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Gumroad dashboard. Products, collaborators, checkouts, emails, workflows, sales, analytics, and payouts. Start by going to Gumroad in your web browser. Once you're on the site, head straight to your dashboard, which is the control center for everything you sell and manage. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It gives you a quick snapshot of performance and easy access to all the tools you'll use. From here, open the Products section. This is where you manage what you're selling, from digital downloads to memberships. You can review each product's details, pricing and descriptions, adjust variations like tiers or license types, update cover images, and organize files. It's helpful to keep product pages clear and concise so customers immediately understand what they're getting. If you make changes, take a moment to preview how the page looks to a buyer to make sure everything feels cohesive. Next, go to Collaborators. If you work with partners, contractors, or co-creators, this is where you assign revenue shares and permissions. Clear collaborator settings help avoid confusion later. Double-check percentages and access levels so everyone gets the right visibility and payout split. Open checkouts to fine-tune the buying experience. Here you can shape the checkout flow, choose what customer information is collected, and make the process as smooth as possible. A clean, minimal checkout reduces friction, and concise purchase notes can prevent support questions after the sale. Move into emails to communicate with your audience directly. This is where you send product updates, announcements, or curated messages to customers and followers. Keep subject lines clear, be specific about what's inside, and segment by product where appropriate so messages stay relevant. Head over to Workflows to set up automated steps that trigger based on customer actions like post-purchase emails or timed follow-ups. Thoughtful automation saves time and improves the customer experience with timely confirmations, onboarding resources, or reminders. Open sales to review transactions, refunds, and order details. Use filters to spot trends by date or product and to keep an eye on performance. Consistent review helps you identify what's working and where tweaks could improve conversion. Go to Analytics to see traffic, conversion rates, and top referrers. Use these insights to refine product pages, adjust pricing or copy, and focus your marketing on sources that drive results. Finally, visit Payouts to see your earnings, upcoming disbursements, and payout history. Make sure everything looks accurate so your revenue flows smoothly and records stay clean. And that's the tour. Go to Gumroad, open your dashboard, and work through products, collaborators, checkouts, emails, workflows, sales, analytics, and payouts to manage your business with confidence.